ChatGPT 6 Business Ideas. 1. Writing video scripts. You can use ChatGPT response generation capabilities to generate dialogues,
Animate a
descriptions
voice.
and even entire scenes. 2. Email marketing. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging and relevant email content, such as subject lines, email body
Animate a
text,
voice.
and calls to action. 3. Content ideas. If you are a content creator, ChatGPT can also suggest some topics for you, even with some suggested content
Animate a
about the
voice.
topic. 4. Coding. ChatGPT can generate code quickly and with a high degree of accuracy. It can also offer advice on how to optimize your code for optimum
Animate
performance.
a voice.
5. Writing website copy. ChatGPT can assist in writing website copy by providing ideas and suggestions for the tone, language, and structure of the content.
Animate a voice.
6. Design. ChatGPT can actually suggest different things related to design. For example, it can generate color schemes for your website,